welcome to Law for Everyone. If you are looking for clear legal answers without the expensive hourly fees, you are in the right place. I'm here to cut through the jargon and give you the facts. Let's get started.
Getting pulled over by the police can be a stressful experience, and it's vital to know your rights in these situations. Understanding what you can and cannot do can help protect your legal interests. One of the most fundamental rights you have during a police stop is the right to remain silent. The right to remain silent means you are not obligated to answer questions beyond providing basic identification information, such as your name, driver's license, registration, and proof of insurance. This right is protected under the Fifth Amendment of the U.S. Constitution, which safeguards you from self-incrimination. To invoke this right, you can simply and clearly say to the officer, "I am exercising my right to remain silent." Remember, anything you say can potentially be used against you in court. By choosing to remain silent, you minimize the risk of misunderstandings and limit the amount of evidence that could be used negatively against you. So staying calm and politely asserting your right to remain silent is a crucial step in protecting yourself during a police stop. It is also crucial to understand your rights regarding searches when you are pulled over. You have the constitutional right to refuse consent to vehicle or personal searches unless the police have probable cause. This is grounded in the Fourth Amendment, which protects against unreasonable searches and seizures. Police officers typically need either a warrant, your explicit consent, or exigent circumstances to lawfully search your vehicle. If an officer asks you, "Can I search your car?" or makes a casual request like, "Can you pop your trunk?" they are seeking your consent. It's important to be clear about your refusal. Simply shaking your head may not be sufficient. Instead, you need to verbally state something like, "I do not consent to a search." Refusing a search does not mean the police cannot proceed if they establish probable cause. For instance, if an officer smells illegal substances or sees something suspicious in plain view, they may have grounds to search your vehicle without your consent. However, without such justification, your verbal refusal should be respected. Remember, knowing and asserting your constitutional rights helps ensure they are protected during any police encounter. Finally, it is crucial to understand that while you must provide identification during a traffic stop, you retain significant rights throughout the interaction. When legally stopped while driving, you are required to present a valid driver's license, registration, and proof of insurance. If you are not under arrest, you have the right to ask if you are free to leave and can depart if permitted. Should you be arrested, you are entitled to be informed of your rights immediately and have the right to legal counsel. Remember, during any police stop, you can request the officer's name and badge number. Throughout the encounter, you are protected against unlawful detention, excessive force, and unwarranted searches. Knowing these rights empowers you to navigate such situations with confidence. Always stay calm, comply with lawful requests, but do not hesitate to assert your rights when necessary. This knowledge ensures you are prepared and protected during any police stop.
Thanks for watching. Now you are armed with the facts, not just the confusion. To make sure you never miss a legal update that could affect you or your family, hit that subscribe button right now. See you in the next video.